5 Best Vacuum for Carpet and Pets Reviews. Number 1. Shark Apex Upright Vacuum. If you are hustling to clean up carpet, floors and tackle pet messes, then Shark Apex is the best vacuum for you. The Power Left Away mode enables you to remove the pod and extend the cleaner head to clean hard-to-reach areas. At the same time, the 0M self-cleaning brush roll provides non-stop hair removal. Besides, you can quickly spotlight hidden dust with LED lights help on the handle and suck them away. Therefore, the HEPA filter can capture 99.97% of dust and allergens and improve air quality. The only con of this vac is its swivel that is challenging to use. However, it would be easier if you used a vacuum that swiveled before. Do Clean technology that helps us to bring it to the top on this list. The dual brush rolls allow you to deep clean both carpet and hardwood floors. It lets you take on both small and large particles and clean up them efficiently. Number 2. Bissell Cleanview Swivel Pet. Bissell Cleanview is our second pick for its excellent maneuverability, optimum cleaning solution for removing dust and pet messes. The first and foremost feature of this vac is its swivel steering. You can vacuum those hard-to-reach areas like under furniture and other tight spaces with the help of it. On top of that, the multi-cyclonic suction system provides ultimate cleaning performance without losing the suction. Besides, the stretchable hose lets you clean every corner of your home from floor to above. Therefore, dumping the dirt bin is simple for quickly emptying the messes. The only con we come across is its small canister capacity. As a result, you need to empty it every 5 seconds as it gets full of dirt. The triple action brush roll picks up dirt and pet hair by loosening, lifting, and removing them. Plus, the scatter-free technology lets you take on dust, debris, and dirt from carpet and hardwood floors. Number 3. Dyson V11 Animal Cordless Vacuum. If the budget is nothing to you and you want a premium quality vacuum, Dyson V11 is looking to you. The cordless vac optimizes suction power and motor speed based on the floor type. In return, you don't need to hustle to set the mode manually to clean different floors. Besides, the DLS system automatically adapts the motor speed depending on the carpet and hardwood floor. Therefore, the long-lasting battery offers 60 minutes of running time for thorough cleaning. Afterward, the advanced whole machine filtration system can capture 99.97% of particles and allergens and keep the home air fresh. The only con of this vac is it stops working if you don't allow it to dry the air filter. However, you can easily avoid this situation by letting the air filter dry for 24 to 72 hours. Number 4. Shark Rocket Vacuum. Shark Rocket is another best vac that you can use as a stick and handheld vacuum for ultimate cleaning operation. You can easily convert this vac from stick to handheld vacuum for cleaning the floor to ceiling. Multiple accessories like pet multi-tools and crevice tools let you clean every tight corner with ease. Besides, the swivel steering of the vacuum offers excellent maneuverability to clean tight spaces like under furniture. The drawback of this vacuum cleaner is its short cord. However, buying an extra large cable from Shark will help you to solve this issue. Another con of this vacuum is it doesn't include a small roller brush for cleaning the furniture. So, you need to buy one separately. The fingertip control is the feature that melts the mind of our research team to rank it number 4. You can easily switch it from hardwood to carpet cleaning mode for a thorough brushing operation. Number 5. Miele Classic C1 Best for Maneuverability. Miele Classic C1 is an ideal choice for pet owners for its ultimate ability to handle pet messes and hair. The high suction power 1200W ensures you there is no stubborn dust in your floor. At the same time, STB20 Mini Turbo Brush lets you brush away upholstered furniture with efficiency. Therefore, the 18 feet power cord and 7 feet hose let you clean every tight corner of your home with ease. On top of that, the active air clean filter traps 99.97% of particles, dust, and allergens and removes pet odors. The only con of this vacuum cleaner is it is bulky and heavy. So, if you have small apartments with many stairs, it is better to look for an alternative. The best feature of this vac is Electro Plus motorized brush with 5-level height adjustments. As a result, you can dust out pet hair from the carpeted floor efficiently.